Hi guys, in this video we will be unboxing HP laptop 15/DB0011MN. So let's start it. And first you get user guide. Laptop itself, power adapter, we don't need the box anymore. This laptop comes in purple variant of color. It's made of plastic. And let's open it. And specifications of this laptop are AMD dual-core Ryzen 3 2200U, 129 SSD plus 1 terabit hard drive. No, it doesn't have optical drive. It has 2 GB of SDRAM DDR4 variant. It has 15.6 inches diagonal full HD LED display, WLAN and Bluetooth. So let's turn it on. And let's see what are the view angles of the screen. It has a LAN connector, HDMI, 2 USB ports on this side, and it has 3.5 head jack combo. You have another USB port and SD card reader. Again, there is no DVD or optical drive. And let's see how it's behaving when we start YouTube or any video, so you can see another quality of display. And let's see one of our videos. Hi guys, in this video I do unboxing of the and see performance of processor, and its CPU is on 20% of 916. It's disk, Wi-Fi, internet, it's okay. So the quality of our video is not so good, but it's okay. You can just another look of display. You lose it view in this angle. Next, I will test it in Cinebench. And first we are going to test GPU and it has average 21.38 frames per second. And let's test the CPU. And it has 303 Cinebench points in this benchmark. And let's wrap it up. This laptop with APU and GPU with integrated Vega free graphics card, it's, I can say, best buy for consumers that need a little of gaming that does not require AAA games. You can do some video editing with it. You can do some application software with it, and for home use you can surf net, you can watch movies, and it does not overstress the GPU in it. So if you liked this video, give us a like. If you want to see more video of us, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.